So we're hanging out in Artavia today in Conroe, Texas, taking a look at their latest sections going on here in this incredible community. I mean, if you want amenities, this place has them. Pools, amenity center, walking trails. I mean, the scenery around here is gorgeous with all the pine trees, and they just kept a lot of the natural environment here, and it's just exquisite. There's really nothing like it over here on the north side of Houston. And Conroe is just growing like a weed, and so is this community. So lots of builders. We're looking at 2 builders today, J. Patrick Homes. I'm excited to show you them, what they've got going on here. And we're also looking at David Weekley in their 65-foot section, and that's where we are right now. So we're looking at the homes that are coming available and that will be ready here in the next couple months. Some of these along this same street are done now. And so just a ton of development around here. I wanted to show you J. Patrick. They have an amazing 70-foot product here in Artavia, and the model is incredible. I wanted to also mention that this community has a range of prices. So if $600,000 doesn't fit your budget, neither does $400,000. They've got stuff in the 300,000s and just a ton of different floor plans and different square footage sizes. So really, I think this community matches a lot of what people are looking for. And Beezer is here, Lennar is here, Perry is here, just all sorts of builders, all sorts of incredible builders. So if you are inquiring about this community and want to learn more about some of the other builders and what's going on throughout the rest of the community, definitely reach out. So if you're ready, let's go take a look at it. All right, we're looking at J. Patrick here, and this is just one of the incredible floor plans that they have here. It's the Falcon II plan. They've also got some incredible discounts on some of their inventory homes also that are move-in ready. Just really a lot going on here with J. Patrick. This Falcon plan is 3,767 square feet, so on the larger side, 5 beds, 3.5 baths. It's got the study on the first floor, game room upstairs. They have a flex room here, and they have incorporated that into a media room, which you can do the same. So there's some flexibility there with this plan, and I love that. Enjoy. I gotta know, what did you think about this plan? There are some unique features about this one. On to the 65-foot section with David Weekley. This plan is also incredible. It's the Leeward plan, and you don't see it like a ton as a model home, and so I'm excited to show you the Leeward here. But man, oh man, one of the things I absolutely love about David Weekley is their ability to create different spaces in their flex room areas, and then also their vaulted ceilings are just incredible. So this plan is 3293 square feet, 4 beds, 3.5 baths, study. It's got a flex room there in the back left with a 4-car garage. That's another thing that I love about this plan. You have so much flexibility and even storage space in the garage area, and it comes standard. Enjoy.